Well, I hit a rock pretty hard, as you can see. All the ESCs got ejected with the force. They're all one wire's come off there. All the rest look pretty good. That one's still intact. Motor's got a bit of a ding in it, which is knackered. You can see the force of the impact. There's still rock on the front of this. The frame, there's not a scratch on it. And I tell you what, I hit that pretty hard, as you'll probably see in the footage if it's come out. And testament to their incredibly strong frames.